Looking something fun to do in Mandeville other than getting drunk at a bar, going to a restaurant and shopping at the supermarket? Well, here is Token Escape Arcade, where there's tons of games. It's an adult environment and also a kids environment. Bring the whole family, tons of games, enjoy yourself. Yo, Mandeville happen again. You can find this on Wesley Road on Linkard Plaza. Trust me, it's totally fun. There's tons of excitement. You gotta check out the virtual reality section. And yes, in Mandeville, not Kingston, Mandeville. Yo, turn up, book, have so much fun. Yo, me can't done. It's just exciting. By the time you're done, you're tired, and you enjoy yourself in a Mandeville town.